Hello everyone. Today we're here to study principles of inheritance and variation of grade 12. So this chapter, although being lengthy, it's very interesting. It's basically inheritance and variation in the offsprings which are from the parents. So just for simple topics here, we need to know what is DNA, chromosome and a gene. So technically a single chromosome is formed by the condensation of DNA. That is, in the cell there is nucleolus. So in the nucleolus we can find the DNA. This DNA, when during cell cycle in the metaphase stage, this DNA transforms itself into chromosome. Okay, so in the cell cycle, in the metaphase stage, this highly coiled DNA transforms into chromosome. So now in this chromosome we have various spots. These are called as gene. So this in the magnified form. Here there's a gene, here there's a gene, here there's a gene, here there's a gene. Maybe this gene may be color of iris. This may be size of the penis. This may be the size of your fingers. It may be anything. There are multiple genes on the chromosome, which was a former DNA in the condensed phase. So now we know that what is a DNA, what is a chromosome, and a gene. There are also many other terms in this lesson, that as allele. So what is an allele? Allele is an alternate form of a gene. That is, if a gene codes for the color of iris, that is, if this gene codes for the color of iris of blue in color, this allele is an alternate form of this gene, which may code to another color, maybe black or brown or so on. So this is what is an allele. So the next would be phenotype. So phenotype is the visible physical character of any organism, maybe stem height, maybe the size of pea, and so on. It may be anything. That is, the phenotype is the visible physical character of any organism. So the next would be genotype. This term is that we cannot see the genotype with our naked eyes. This is determined by the gene on the chromosome. Okay, so this may be small t, capital T, small t, which codes for again tall, small t, dwarf, or maybe capital T again, capital T, tall. So now these were just the introductory part of this lesson. So we come to the famous name Gregor George Mendel. So this man, he technically was a mathematician. So during his lockdown period, he happened to come across this experiment of crossing the different breeds of pea plant. So there he considered 7 different pairs of characters. So technically a pair has 2, so therefore 7 plus 7, 14 different characters. Okay, so there were related to stem, So this may be stem height, flower color, flower position, pod shape, pod color, seed shape, and seed color. So the contrasting traits, that is, two alleles, were tall or dwarf. For the flower color, it was violet or white, and the flower position was axial or terminal. Axial or terminal means if this is a flower, so this is the terminal point and this is the axial point. So this is the axial and this is the terminal. And the pod shape is inflated or constricted, and the pod color be green or yellow, and the seed shape may be round or wrinkled, and the seed color may be yellow or green. So all these which I've written on the left side are dominant. All these on my right side are recessive. So this is the introduction for this chapter. Thank you.